I was just making up boxes tonight and realised again just how simple using Nuplas is for my ideals. I did used to make some out of plywood just when I was getting started and didn't want to invest any money, but now I buy these for, I think it's $30 each, and it's literally 12 screws. So you put one on the bottom, two on the sides, one on the top, and just screw it in, flip it over, and screw it in, it's done. Well, drill then screw. But yeah, so fast. I've just done 8 in about 15 minutes, and I'm quite slow. And Craig's going to give us a demo of putting 2 together now, but we're pretty much ready for spring in April. And go. He's pre-painted his number on, which is very smart. I'll just do it when I put the hive together before it goes out in the field. So 4 sides together. He pre-drills. With intent. Six screws. Nuplas provides these, so that's another cost that you don't need. No painting, no undercoating, no painting. It's just insanely fast. He's putting his little clips on. He uses clips so the boxes don't slide around, which is a good idea. They're spring steel. Is that right?
We think they're spring steel.
Spring steel.
Like Bruce Springsteen.
He's finishing off. You can do these in a field from the back of your car. Spring clip on the other side. I don't bother with these. Ta-da!
Done.
And in no time, you've got a mountain ready to go. Literally in no time. No painting, nothing. Anyway, a little update. Worth thinking about when you're buying your first hive, or 1 or 2, a lot less work.